how to enable or disable text, messages, conversation, vibration on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the text messages app. Then in the messages list, open up a conversation. Then tap on the more button and then tap on group details or details. And then in here, tap on notifications. Now go down and then tap on vibrate. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off vibration for a particular text message conversation. Now remember that these settings only apply to one single conversation. It does not apply to all your other conversations. If you want to make the changes that apply to all of these messages settings, then you need to do that from the settings menu. And then you go into notifications and then app notifications. Then we go down and tap on messages. And in here, you'll be able to apply the settings. So in here, you can apply vibration to the whole text messages app, not to a single one single conversation. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.